Hi, welcome back pronunciation learners to another tutorial of English pronunciation. These are my top 10 advanced English words to learn their pronunciation in this today's video. Listen closely. Redundant, regalia, regale, redoubtable, reformatory, refactory, regatta, repertoire, rhapsody, and ricochet. The first word is redundant. Redundant, it's a three-syllable adjective. This word has got its stress on the second syllable down. We say redundant. Being redundant is being more than necessary. That's redundant. The second word is regalia. Regalia, it's a four-syllable noun. Stress on the second syllable, gay. We say regalia. It's a noun, and regalia, it's a kind of robe usually worn by a king, a queen, or a mayor. Ornament, clothing, called regalia. Redundant, regalia. The third word is regale, the verb. It's a disyllabic verb. Stress on the second syllable, gale. We say regale, and to regale is to entertain, usually by conversation. That's to regale. The fourth word is redoubtable, somehow tricky. Redoubtable. First, B is silent. The second B is uttered. Say redoubtable, redoubtable, redoubtable. It's a four-syllable adjective. Stress on the second syllable, down. We say redoubtable. I repeat, the first B is silent, the second B is uttered or pronounced. Redoubtable. And redoubtable, if you want to know the meaning, it means, let's say, bold or formidable. Formidable, bold. That's redoubtable. The fifth word is reformatory. Reformatory. It's a four-syllable noun. Stress on the second syllable also. For reformatory, which means a kind of prison. That's called the reformatory, or an institution made like a prison. That's called the reformatory. Stress on the second syllable, for reformatory. I repeat, the fourth word is redoubtable. The fifth word is reformatory. The sixth word is refactory. Refactory, refactory, it's a four-syllable noun. Stress also on the second syllable, fact. We say refactory. Refactory. And refactory means room used for communal meals, for food. That's called refactory, like a cafe. The seventh word is regatta. Regatta, it's a three-syllable noun. Regatta. Regatta, which means a sporting event. Stress on the second syllable, gap. Regatta. The eighth word is repertoire. Repertoire, it's a three-syllable noun. Stress on the first syllable, rap. Repertoire. A repertoire is works done by someone. That's called repertoire. Stress on the first syllable, rap. A three-syllable noun. Stress on the first syllable, rap. Repertoire. The penultimate word is rhapsody. Rhapsody is also a three-syllable noun. Stress also on the first syllable, rap. Rhapsody, which means poetry, music. That's called rhapsody. And the last word is ricochet. Somehow tricky. Ricochet, it's a three-syllable verb. And this word has got three syllables. Ricochet. Stress on the first syllable, ricochet. The T in the end is silent, mute, not uttered. We say ricochet. The last vowel is shay. Ricochet. The second vowel is k, short sound. And the first vowel sound is re, short e. Ricochet. Ricochet. And to ricochet as a verb, it means to bounce off a surface. For example, the ball ricocheted. Bounce off a surface. That's the ricochet. Let's practice, dear watchers, this tricky pronunciation lesson. Redundant, regalia, regale, redoubtable, reformatory, refactory, regatta, repertoire, rhapsody, ricochet. ricochet, rhapsody, repertoire, regatta, refactory, reformatory, redoubtable, regale, regalia, redundant, redundant, regalia, regale, redoubtable, reformatory, refactory, regatta, repertoire, rhapsody, ricochet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time with further pronunciation practice. Goodbye.